Hello tech lovers, today's video is on Top 5 Best Drone on AliExpress. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with Holy Stone HS440 drone. It is about 8.4 inches in length and 8.1 inches in width, 3.3 inches in height when it is expanded, and it is 8.31 inches by 6.65 inches by 3.31 inches when folded. It has got one unique uncommon design. It has a new design concept, and this drone is equipped with current many advanced technologies of drones. Its design has made it effective and a performance monster in short. It comes with 1080 pixel HD camera that is adjusted in 90 degrees using your remote control or application. The drone will provide you with an amazing view of the sky with its 140-degree wide-angle lens. It will help you capture every beautiful moment through a bird's-eye view. HS440 is carefully designed to optimize user experience with smart features. Because of the automatic takeoff system, with precise hovering and takeoff, the operation is smoother and more secure than ever. Wonky high-speed rotation will bring an extra thrill in the air. There are no limits with the sky or playground. You can get a maximum of 20 minutes flight time with just one modular battery. The bundle includes a storage box as well as 2 batteries, which can increase the duration of your flight to 40 minutes. Amazing! Additionally, the battery that is modular is simpler to set up and more secure to use. Holy Stone HS440 drone first-person view transmission in real time is the perfect device to take in the stunning images captured by the drone. It lets you experience the visual feast anytime and from anywhere. This technology can not only record and displays the stunning images captured by drones, however, it can also be used to perform live streaming. The Holy Stone HS440 is a drone that features a 3.7-volt 1500 mAh lithium battery. This battery has been designed to meet the needs of drone enthusiasts and professionals, and is perfect for use in high-graphics applications or when you need to fly longer distances. With this battery, you can fly your drone for longer periods of time without having to worry about running out of energy. Up next, we have Holy Stone HS720G 2-axis drone in our list. It is about 14.37 inches in length and 14.37 inches in width, 2.76 inches in height when it is expanded, and it is 11.57 inches by 8.54 inches by 3.66 inches when folded. It has got one unique uncommon design. It has a new design concept, and this drone is equipped with current many advanced technologies of drones. Its design has made it effective and a performance monster in short. With a motorized gimbal with 2 axes as well as the 4K electric image stabilization camera, HS720G will provide amazing and vibrant footage from a bird's eye view, without sacrificing any detail. It's your ticket to sky. 5 GHz first-person view transmission will provide amazing and vibrant footage from a bird's eye perspective without sacrificing any detail. With this transmission will allow you to observe all the birds in one go without being able to miss any beat. With 5 GHz first-person views transmission quality and a crisp image you require to enjoy great bird watching. This motor with a brushless design is great for those looking to improve their flight skills to the highest level. With a steady flight and no requirement for belts, this type of motor is ideal for experienced pilots. Additionally, it's simple to operate due to its brushless motor. The GPS module as well as optical flow positioning ensure that HS720G more secure, safe, and boasts incredible protection against interference, giving you the possibility of flying higher and more secure. It is possible to enjoy a great time outside with your kids or your friends with no disturbance and limits on distance. The USB Type-C port that has been upgraded will reduce charge time for batteries to a significant extent and provide up to 26 hours of flying time, give you the possibility of flying further. By using the most up-to-date USB Type-C standards, this port is more efficient and provides better performance in charging your device. The Holy Stone HS720G is a drone that features a 7.6-volt 2800 mAh lithium battery. This battery has been designed to meet the needs of drone enthusiasts and professionals and is perfect for use in high graphics applications or when you need to fly longer distances. With this battery, you can fly your drone for longer periods of time without having to worry about running out of energy. The very next drone, we have Holy Stone HS720 drone. It is about 14.4 centimeters in length and 13.2 centimeters in width, 2.4 centimeters in height when it is expanded. And it is 6.8 centimeters by 4.1 centimeters by 2.2 centimeters when folded. It has got one unique uncommon design. It has a new design concept, and this drone is equipped with current many advanced technologies of drones. Its design has made it effective and a performance monster in short. 4K cameras equipped with shock absorption offer photographers with the capability to capture stunning 4K videos and photos without worrying about damaging the equipment. With a body that is shock-absorbing, the cameras can withstand even the toughest of conditions. Through Holy Stone HS720 drone real-time HD image transmission, you are able to now transmit crystal-clear video of your activities to family and friends in real time. If you sign up, you'll have the ability to stream live video from any location around the globe without leaving your home. With the Holy Stone drone gesture, anyone can effortlessly take stunning photos using their drone. Simply place the drone in front of an object, and it will snap an image in a flash. This is great to take photographs of your family when they are in the car or even taking pictures of your pet when you're playing outdoors. The Holy Stone HS720 drone is ideal for taking photos or videos of your favorite location. With a flight time at 52 minutes, it is able to create stunning aerial pictures or videos which you'll be able to treasure for a long time. The HS720 has 12-megapixel camera, which will take stunning photos and videos with incredible clarity. The HS720 comes with an 11x zoom lens, so you are able to take in all the details of the surroundings. The Holy Stone HS720 is a drone that features a 7.6-volt 2800 mAh lithium battery. This battery has been designed to meet the needs of drone enthusiasts and professionals and is perfect for use in high graphics applications or when you need to fly longer distances. With this battery, you can fly your drone for longer periods of time without having to worry about running out of energy. Furthermore, we have Holy Stone HS700 in our list. It is about 14.96 inches in length and 9.06 inches in width, 4.92 inches in height when it is expanded. And it is 12.36 inches by 11.14 inches by 6.46 inches when folded. It has got one unique uncommon design. It has a new design concept, and this drone is equipped with current many advanced technologies of drones. Its design has made it effective and a performance monster in short. Its electronic image stabilization technology minimizes blurring of video and makes transmission of video more secure. It makes use of pixels beyond the boundaries of the frame in order to serve as a buffer to accommodate shifts in direction. This 5 GHz transmission lets you to take amazing, fast-paced images. A 90-deg adjustable camera with a 130-degree field of view lens will record a wide-angle view of each precious moment. It gives you virtually infinite viewing. With 5 GHz, that is 5 GHz, you will experience smoother and more clear image transmission. 5 GHz frequency allows speedier data transfer, which makes it ideal for the transfer of audio and video signals. In addition, the radiation of 5 GHz is lower than other frequencies, meaning you will be protected when using 5 GHz frequency. With a top quality frames per second, video will be able to comfortably meet a variety of requirements. If you require a speedy film experience or stay up to date with the latest media, 1080 pixels 60 frames per second is the best option for you. With a frame rate this level, your videos will look stunning and appear more real. If you're in search of a motor that is brushed to help your car run more efficiently and more peacefully, take a look at the 4 motors with brushless technology included in this bundle. With their efficiency high and low levels of noise, they are able to tackle the majority of tasks effortlessly. In addition, their small dimensions mean they don't require a lot of space in your workshop or garage, ideal for drivers on the go. The Holy Stone HS700 is a drone that features a 7.6-volt 2800 mAh lithium battery. This battery has been designed to meet the needs of drone enthusiasts and professionals and is perfect for use in high graphics applications or when you need to fly longer distances. With this battery, you can fly your drone for longer periods of time without having to worry about running out of energy. We can finish it up with DJI Mavic 3 drone. The Mavic 3 picks up from where the Mavic line ended and continuing to expand the Mavic line. The Mavic 3 remains an ultra-compact, folding quadcopter. It is now the Mavic 3 stands much taller, and the propellers in front are no longer spinning on the top of the drone. Instead, the arms are larger and lower, keeping it stop-free of moving components. DJI Mavic 3 drone can remain airborne for up to 46 minutes with O3+. DJI reduced the number to OcuSync 3+. In a calm day, the maximum flight time is closer to 42 minutes if you think about normal setups and a safety buffer in the event of landing. The drone has one of the strongest connections between drones and remote that we've ever seen. DJI Mavic 3 is priced to be in the pro drone realm, which is not affordable to most consumers. However, thanks to the incredible capability of DJI R2S, the consumer market is in good hands. There are few drones that are this small and have this affordable cost. DJI's Hasselblad sees a micro Four Thirds camera that captures 20MP still images and 5.1K videos at 50 frames per second. The camera has the effective focal length of 84 degrees with a 24mm equivalent focal length with an aperture of f2.8. There are two models available for the DJI Mavic 3, the standard model and the Cine model. RC Pro is a rechargeable controller that comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a built-in LCD. It's an Android tablet that runs the DJI Fly app, just like your phone. Its USB Type-C connector sits by the micro slot as well as the HDMI port at the bottom. It also has top-mounted dial to control the gimbal and custom pad for custom controls. The DJI Mavic 3 is the most advanced drone available currently, especially for the professional aerial photographer. Although we are impressed by how great the drone is, it comes with an expensive price to take into consideration. DJI added a second camera in Mavic 3 to make it more versatile. My only concern is the fixed lens. However, the ability to switch lenses is the reason I consider my DSLR capable of meeting my requirements. If the price doesn't alarm you, the question is one worth a dollar. The Mavic 3 is the smallest and most efficient drone equipped with a camera comparable to this one. Its user-friendliness is another factor since a drone like that of the Inspire 2 is best when operated by two persons with one pilot as well as a camera operator. The drone will be just as simple to control as before, allowing one person to take fun video in the sky. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.